Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to this new tutorial series where we're going to be building an e-commerce plugin in WordPress. So in this first tutorial, we're going to be learning what are the minimum requirements for creating a plugin for WordPress. So I'm going to be using Sublime text editor. You can use anything that you want. I'm going to just open a folder over here, new folder, and on the desktop, let's call it, going to create a folder, e-commerce plugin, like this. So double click, select this folder. Excellent. So now we're going to be this folder over here is going to be the folder of our plugin. Okay, so the first thing that I would like you to do is to create a file inside it. It's going to be index. Let's call it index like this. Control S, and let's call it index.php. So this one's going to be our main folder or our main file in our plugin. Okay, so now what are the minimum requirements for creating a plugin that's going to be recognized by WordPress? So first we need to create a PHP tag like this, PHP tag, and the first element is going to be the name of our plugin. So I'm going to create open comment like this, and let's create plugin name. Let's call it e-commerce plugin. Okay, and basically that's it. So this is the minimum requirements for creating a plugin. So I'm going to hit save like this, and I'm going to go to my desktop. This is our plugin over here. So in order to make it recognizable by WordPress, we need to convert it into a zip file. So I'm going to go to add to archive, and I'm going to be making it a zip file like this. Hit OK. There we go. So we have it over here. So let me go back to our plugins over here, install plugins, and let's add new, upload a plugin, browse, and let's select our own e-commerce plugin from our desktop. So install now, activate plugin, and basically that's it. This is our plugin. So now everything is put into place. We can also do the following. We can add extra stuff. For example, we can add the description like this. But also I'd like to switch. So far we are using the file in the desktop. I would like to switch to the file or to the plugin inside WordPress. So I'm going to go to File, Open Folder. So since I'm using Laragon, it's going to be this way. So Laragon over here. I'm using the plugin 10, I think, plugin 12. Yes, plugin 12. WP content, plugins. There we go. So now all we have to do is to select it. Also, we can select it from, for example, from here, or no need. Just from here. Okay, select folder. Excellent. So now any changes that we're going to be applying to our plugin over here, it's going to be displayed in WordPress. So for example, over here, let me add the description. Over here, description like this. So this one's going to be, let's call it, this is an e-commerce plugin that sells products online. Like this. Okay, so let's hit save, and I'm gonna go back over here, hit refresh. Excellent. So now you can see over here the description. Also, we can add some other stuff, like for example the version of our plugin. So since this one is the first one, let's set it like this, 1.0, and also let's create, or let's identify the author, which is my name, Abdel Ilah Hamdani, like this. Also, we can add the plugin URI, just to make URI, not URL. And let's HTTPS. I'm going to be putting my website, instructor. I can't type today. .net. All right. So let's hit save, and let's check again our plugin. Excellent. But let me check. We're not able to see the link to our website. Let me check over here. Plugin URI, instructor, oops, HTTPS, yeah, .net, not dot, yeah. So let's do refresh, yeah, visit the plugin site. So if you click on it, you can see over here downside, instructor.net. So now before getting started, I would like to show you something really important. It's related to the security of our plugin. We want to make our plugin secure. So for that, we need to block any access from outside WordPress. So let me show you this. I'm going to create a condition over here. So if it's not defined, I'm going to explain this one just in a second. Apps path. So basically this variable over here is related to WordPress. So if it's not defined, meaning that this someone is trying to access our plugin from the outside of our WordPress. So we need to simply kill what's gonna come next. So we can also we can echo nothing I can do when I'm called directly. When I'm called directly, like this, and let's close that. Okay, and after that we must die. Yeah, we must kill the function. So basically this one's gonna help with the security of our plugin. So if someone tries to access our plugin from the outside without the permission of WordPress, so it's gonna WordPress is gonna shut down the entire operation. Okay, so basically that's it for our tutorial. For our first tutorial, so we learned how to initialize our first plugin over here. So in the next WooCommerce tutorial, we're gonna continue building the other functions of our plugin. So see you next.